Hi guys, usually I'm not a very mnemonic person. If there is an explanation or if the thing is little bit reasonable to remember, then I usually prefer to do it that way. There are so many places where we need a mnemonic in biochemistry and FM, but these are the ones which I repeatedly am doing mistakes, so I invented myself some mnemonics for them. If you like, you can use them, otherwise no worries, or you can just skip to the ending part of the vlog. Okay, the very first place where I am keeping mnemonic is DNA repair defects. I keep on doing mistakes here, so let's start. We have base excision repair defect. It simply means in DNA we have two strands. One strand will be broken at one place. So that particular repair is done and is known as base excision repair. And there is other thing known as double stranded repair. That is like both strands of DNA are broken. That is a place where we have both non-homologous and homologous end joining repair. So I have thought a lot about this base excision repair, how to remember. So this is what I have got. Base and opposite of base is apex. Apex is where we have this mouth. So that is how maybe we remember Muti associated polyposis. And the next is non-homologous end joining repair, where I remembered it like this. Non-home, that is where outside of home we eat non, that is naan, butter naan, which is made of atta. So ATTA, that is ataxia and telangiectasia. And at home, my brother is very good fan of home food. So home, bro is fan. So BRCA and Fanconi's anemia. And then we have this nucleotide excision repair. So this is how I remembered. Tide is washing powder, if you have known it. So it is used to remove the pigments on our clothes. So Tide xeroderma pigmentosa. This is nothing but we have cross linking between the nucleotides which have to be repaired. And lastly, we have mismatch repair, which is nothing but you have this two strands in between, one mismatch nucleotide or base is fixed there. So you have to remove or repair it. So I just remember it like alphabets are reversed and jumbled. So mismatched basically. And lastly, this mnemonic is myself because I have this best friend known as Praneeth and my name is Uday Bhanu. So Praneeth is male, Uday Bhanu is female. So Pra for Prader-Willi syndrome, Pra male, so paternal deletion is there. Bhanu is female, so female side maternal deletion is there. Of course, females are angels, so angel man syndrome. And Praneeth, male, basically males snore a lot, so snorp gene. And Udaya Bhanu, so U and B, basically UBE3A gene. And this is how I remembered it. So once again, Pra for Prader-Willi, Praneeth male snores a lot, UB Udaya Bhanu, so UBE3A gene. And lastly, PCR steps are a little bit confusing for me. So I kept it like Daniel, D for denaturation, AN for annealing, and EL for elongation. I hope these mnemonics will be useful to you. If not, just leave it here. And coming to today's vlog, I have read biochemistry today. As my biochemistry schedule was disturbed previously, so I tried to study biochemistry today, where I have started with nucleotide genetics and lipid metabolism, where I am weak at because I have no time now. Tomorrow I have to attempt BTR exam and discussion. So these are the parts I felt very difficult. So I created mnemonics for myself. I know I'm not prepared for tomorrow exam, but I'll try my level best. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.